Hello friend, this side is Sashi front of you. I am a law student. I am pursuing law from Chaudhry Chand Singh University and I am pursuing in a 7th semester.
Okay, that's
That's
great.
all about me.
So, Ashu, in this video, we will connect in the English language.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
this video is also related to a English conversation. So,
Yeah.
you can comfortable with me.
Yeah, I also comfortable.
So,
And
guys, this video is also related to a English speaking practice. And nowadays, I'm learning English speaking. So, Ashu is also Ashu is also law student, and he is also learning in English language. So, we will conversation with each other. So, you can see which one is a good. I
guys,
hope.
guys, we are just learning, and
Yes.
we are just a student, and
We-
you may also learn English. You can improve yourself.
Exactly. So, also one question for you from my side.
Yeah.
What is the role in legal field English language?
What is the role in legal field? So the role is if you want to become a lawyer and advocate and judge, so now times English is most precious for everyone. So English is a part
good.
of
Exactly.
exactly. English is a part of legal and each and every field. English is very important
Exactly.
now times. So
According to me, Asu, English is a global language. So English is a must in a proficient language if you are going to a interview for any departments.
Yeah.
So first question is tell me something about yourself. In English is a preference language.
Yeah.
So if you are giving the interview in English language, I think interviewer you will find the first priority.
yeah, I can find my first priority, but doesn't matter. So so guys, if you get a job, so firstly your English
You should to learn
Eng-
speaking.
yeah, you should speak your English language and improve yourself. So your degree doesn't matter. So
Exactly.
your degree doesn't matter, but
Exactly.
your fluency and speaking
Is
is
also-
permanently. It is a
Exa-
part of our youth.
Yes. Definitely, Ashu. But
I'm wrong.
no, you are not wrong. You are perfect.
Yeah.
So English is a most commendable language. If you have a knowledge about the English language, then you can conversation with each other. If you will fluency in English language, other people you will respect,
Yeah,
give your respect. But you don't have any no knowledge in English language, then other people will give you not respect.
Another people think that we are backward and illiterate person.
Exactly.
If we have doesn't knowledge of English, we can't able to speak in English. So people think that we are backward and illiterate.
Exactly.
So now times English is very precious for everyone, and it is also a part of our education.
Exactly.
I thought that you understand our words and sentence.
So, Asu, my second question to you. So, if a beginner student, how can understand in English language and how can learn the English language? So, if you have any if you have any suggestion or idea
So
for
I
learners,
would suggest that. So guys, if you want to learn English, so you can learn. You join us. You join Mahavir Singh brother. He is
Yes.
also a English learner. He
Exactly.
he can learn you English. He can teach you English. So
I will not
Yeah,
teach,
but-
brother.
but-
I'm
but-
also learner. I'm
but
also
he is
like
also
you.
learner.
I'm also
Yeah.
like you, brother.
He is
I'm not
also
a
learner.
teacher.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not a trainer, but I'm a learner.
Yeah. So if you want to learn English, so you would join the English classes through social media, YouTube, and you can join the dear sir. He is also an English teacher.
So, if you have any suggestion for a new learners, if suppose that if one person is a very beginner, so he want to learn English speaking, first step they should start.
So what can I speak? Can you pardon? Sorry, can you repeat?
Yes, I'm saying.
What one?
Yes, I'm saying that if one person he want to learn English speaking, so he he can start with English speaking with the first step. You have a first step, recommend that people.
Yeah, I can recommend us another guy. He may start through social media. If we want to improve
Exactly,
his,
social media is
yeah,
a first
Now times social media is a
very powerful step.
social media is a very powerful source of income.
Income and
you
learning
can
place.
and you can earn
Some money.
some money through
And
social
you
media.
can
But-
learn some things like video
yeah.
editing and English speaking. Everyone skill have on social media.
Yeah,
If you
yeah.
want to achieve a good fluency and if you want to achieve a master in any skills, you can you can learn with the social media. Like YouTube is a best teacher.
Yeah, yeah.
If you want to achieve some fluency and if you want to achieve a grow in your life and
yeah.
if you want to master in any skills, you can understand and you can learn by the YouTube.
One thing is that, guys, your degree doesn't matter, but if you are talented and you have a skill, so your
you
skills
can
your
survive
skill,
you can survive easily.
yeah.
You can
yeah
earn some money,
your skill is temporarily, is
good amount
permanently.
of money, not some money. You can, if you have a knowledge,
Yeah, yeah.
if you have a skills, then you can earn a huge amount of money,
yeah
not some money, huge
yeah,
amount.
huge amount.
Exactly.
Yeah, I can say that you can earn a handsome amount of money.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. That part is a good.
बंद करो
है
बंद
ना,
करो।
चलने दो 10 मिनट की,
हाँ, दर्द हो गया मेरा।
बस 3 मिनट और है. So as a law student, how can you see law future, upcoming law future?
Upcoming a law future, I want to
Law
see
student.
myself in my future that I am want to enjoy my luxury life through litigation.
Exactly.
So that's why I chose litigation. And but now times I am preparing my judiciary
Judiciary
exam
good.
side by side.
This is the good
Yeah.
things.
So I want to enjoy my luxurious life through litigation, and it is also a powerful source of money, litigation. So you can also join the litigation. Am I right?
Exactly, you can say like that. So
Litigation को
litigation
promote
is
कर रहा हूँ।
exactly, litigation is a part of
Yeah.
good advocacy. If you want to, if you have a good amount of communication skills and legal skills, then
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can survive in easily in advocacy in litigation. Exactly, there are many people say you litigation बहुत time taking है ये वो.
Yeah.
But if you have a knowledge and if you have a good amount of legal knowledge, and
Guys,
if
some
you have
people
a
will say,
communication skills is
Yeah.
good, then you can easily survive and
Guy-
you can easily grow.
yeah, some people will say that litigation is not a part of money. It is the litigation को ऐसे बताता ना कुछ लोग,
हाँ
ये ऐसी है, मतलब जिंदगी बेकार हो गई.
हाँ, मतलब most struggle in the litigation, but
Yeah.
if you have a knowledge according to me and you have a communication good communication
Yeah.
skill, then you can easily survive, and a good legal knowledge also. So then you
Guys,
can,
your skill doesn't matter what is your degree doesn't matter. Okay, if you are talented, you have a skill, so you will survive.
but nowadays era is a social media and digital media. You can come on the social media and you can this is also talent. You can connect with the camera, then this is the also talent. In this talent doesn't everyone. So you can talk by yourself. You can easily grow, and you can make a video and perfect yourself.
Yeah, he just want to say you can improve yourself through social media, and
Yes,
you
yes.
yeah.
If you have a
can-
no partner
Yeah,
for
yeah.
a communication or skills better, then you can use your mobile. You can
Yes.
better
Yes,
exactly.
exactly.
You can
Exactly.
find analyze your
Yeah.
mistake by the chat GPT. There are many kinds of application, AI application.
Yeah. So understand, guys, he is 101% correct. So subscribe our channel and
So bye bye. We will soon next video.
show some love, guys.
We should wind up this
Yeah, yeah.
session.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
bye bye. We will soon next video. Bye.
So if you are interested, guys, so join us and subscribe our channel.
Yes, this is my friend.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
also is.
We are law students.
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
we are pursuing law.
Yes. So
Yeah, yeah.
he is a very good person.
Yeah, yeah. He is also a very good guy. I am. We हम कब मिले थे?
Before 3 months or
Before
4 months.
3 months. He is just my new friend.
Yes, we
We
are
meet-
meeting in the
we-
first time.
We
We was
met in first time in Saket Court
in the library.
in library.
Exactly.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. So subscribe us, guys. Join us.
Exactly.
Okay.